Welcome back to the 46 Dodge Pickup Project. In today's video, we're going to be working on the brakes. It's brake day. We finally have the drums back from the machine shop. We have our new wheel cylinders. We have a new master cylinder. And since it's a beautiful day, we're going to take the original wheels and tires out, get them cleaned up, knock all the mud and crud out of them, and probably clean the shop a little bit. So we're excited you're here and enjoy today's project. Back, and they did a great job turning them. We're going to get them cleaned up and okay, we're going to remove the master cylinder first and fill the reservoir, and then remove the wheel cylinders so we can use the new master to kind of push the old fluid out, flush some new fluid through there, make sure we don't have any debris in the lines, and hopefully we don't break any brake lines, but we'll see what happens. Here we go. Okay, we've removed our master cylinder, all 4 wheel cylinders, and we only broke 1 brake line. So we're gonna run to the parts store, get a replacement, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back from the parts store, and we've got this 40-inch piece of brake line. It's the shortest one I was able to get, and we're gonna have to cut it and bend it just a little bit and get it shaped just so it'll fit right into the master cylinder and then into the junction box. And then I think we can start putting our wheel cylinders back in. Okay, I think we've got it mostly replicated with the right angles, and I'm not gonna put the final flare fitting on until, I think it's an inverted flare, until we put the master cylinder in. So we're gonna do that now and then make sure this fits. Now this master cylinder does not come with a brake switch, so I ordered one. Also, I didn't realize it doesn't come with a plug on the bottom, so we're gonna have to use the plug on the bottom of this, which is pretty stripped up, but hopefully we'll be all right. So we'll start disassembling this and disassembling that, reassembling this, and putting it on. I don't think this plug is coming out. I didn't realize it was brass, and it really got pretty boogered up, so we're gonna run to the parts store. We need to get some brake fluid anyhow, so trip number 2 out into town, and we're gonna grab some brake fluid, get another cap for the new master cylinder, and then get the new master in. We got our part. We got a little plug that's right underneath here, and we are ready to assemble. Okay. No more bubbles. I think it's bench bled. That's actually going to bring us to the end of today's video. We didn't quite get the wheel cylinders on like I hoped we would, but we got a lot done. We got everything. We got the wheel cylinders off. We got the old master cylinder off. We got the new master cylinder on. We broke a brake line. We cut a new brake line. We bent the new brake line. We got everything put in place there for the master cylinder. And I want to flush some of the fluid through, and I'm going to need a friend to maybe press the pedal while I get the kind of monitor each wheel. But it's pretty late at night. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and thank you for tuning into this project, and we'll see you next time. Bye.